9:07 here on Daybreak, and turning now to some health news. The need for mental health treatment grew last year. According to the CDC, now about 20% of U.S. adults receive some sort of treatment. That reflects an increase from before the pandemic and highlights the need for more staff. Channel 2's Rob Hackford explains.
Community Missions of Niagara Frontier is operating about 40 staff under, where Vice President of Development Christian Hoffman says they need to be, especially when caring for people in mental health housing.
24 hours a day, someone needs to be here. You know, if we're not able to hire the direct line, the frontline staff, then that's going to fall to supervisors and management and on up.
An impact of the hiring shortage, Hoffman says, that's hitting just as demand for mental health services from every organization is growing.
And so there are more programs out there right now, but if there's nobody on the other end of the line, then that severely limits any of the efforts that any of these organizations are doing.
So when New York State approved $21 million for mental health services, Hoffman said,
we're certainly excited to get what we can.
The money available through the state's Office of Mental Health can also benefit behavioral health organizations like Best Self, which offers more everyday counseling for local families, children, and young adults. This week, the American Academies of Pediatrics and two other health organizations declared their own national emergency in mental health, specifically for kids and teens, and especially those in communities of color. They've called for more funding, like the money from New York, to help organizations recruit. But,
money can build space and retrofit space, but money doesn't make healthcare providers appear out of thin air.
Hoffman did say it's unclear how much money Community Missions could receive, but retaining and attracting staff will be their goal.
Certainly, we're looking for people with a bachelor's degree in mental health would be fantastic. But, somebody with a high school diploma that is looking to just give back and feel like they're doing more, we absolutely have a spot for that individual as well.
Finding someone with the heart for the often hard work in mental health. Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.